So this is the view from the main floor. Paano pa kaya sa third and fourth floor, diba? Mas maganda pa. So can you guess where we are? This is a brand new home and I can't wait to tour you around. Today we'll be going around this brand new house and lot for sale. Now don't be fooled, this may look like one big house, but it's actually two big houses. So medyo may subtle differences naman tong dalawang to. The one on the left is a little bit more on the beige side. The one here on the right is more on the black and gray, and this is what we'll be going around in today. So over here you have your pedestrian gate, and on the rightmost side you have your automated gate that leads to your driveway down to your carport in the basement. So we'll get to see that later on. So as you enter your pedestrian gate, you have this nice L-shaped garden over here, and then may daan sa leftmost side to the back. And then over here, you have your steps to your main entrance as well as steps going down to said carport. Or dito muna tayo. So at night, meron namang mga ilaw sa baba so that your steps are guided. Di ka naman matitisod or anything. You'll see it. And then once you reach your main door, you have a solid wood, like super solid wooden one. And then you have a digital door lock over here. And then once you enter, sorry, nilalabanan ako ng hangin. Malakas yung hangin today. Once you enter, you have your open space. So for your living area, you have double height high ceiling, and it's just nice and welcoming with lots of natural light. Partida biglang nagkaroon ng clouds, but still so much natural light. This side has a sliding glass door with a metal screen. So you can open this up for ventilation, and also you can have that semi-indoor-outdoor thing kahit na may perimeter wall dyan. You can also see your main stairs from here. And then just a few steps further in, you have your dining area. Right in front of your elevator lobby. Yes, you actually do have an elevator going from your basement all the way to the top floor. You have a door here, which we'll get to in a bit. Mystery. And then you have your guest accessible full toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. Now, this particular comfort room or toilet and bath is also accessible from bedroom number 1, which is right here. So it's nice that it's on the main floor. So if anyone needed a room on this level, meron, and again, they share the bathroom with the guest toilet and bath. So you have this much space. You have wooden flooring for the bedroom. You have a window over here that brings in lots of natural light as well as air. Meron na rin siyang metal screen so that you can just have it open and then just have the air in. And this is pretty much it. You have a square room, higher than normal or higher than standard height. Yung ceiling, and the ceiling design is pretty much flat. You have 5 pin lights. And then going back out, the main area, again, you have your dining area and then your kitchen. You actually have a lot of space for your kitchen, and I love this kitchen for numerous reasons. So first of all, it's pretty much U-shaped. So this entire section of this house is just kitchen. You have an island counter with storage on this side and the bar on this side, which is perfect because this is your coffee nook. And I love that. May dedicated outlet talaga, no? So if you were to have your coffee machine here and all your coffee paraphernalia, and I'm sure you've seen it on like social media, yung mga kagamitan na kailangan sa paggawa ng kape, di ba? Ang dami, and it's beautiful, and I love it. So once you make your coffee, you sit right here. You can probably fit 3 bar stools here, low bar stools. And then you have flush cabinetry. When I mean flush, you don't see any handles, right? So you can see that this is glass. Ito actually finger holds niya. It's very minimalist. And then for the solid or opaque ones, again, you don't see any. You just pull from here. You have a very flat surface on this side, but this is actually where your stove is. This is your induction stove. You also have your exhaust. And then you have your built-in microwave and oven. And then on this side, it's just your washing station. So you have your double sink over here right in front of the window. Ganda, diba? Very practical layout. And then dito yung ref. From your dining area, you again have a sliding glass door that leads to a balcony. It's sort of a balcony. It's not exactly a balcony. It's solid siya. But yeah, you have this much space, and this is actually a dead end. Meron lang konting portion dito so that you can maybe hide things, you know, household things. But yeah, you do have a faucet over there so that you can do your gardening. You don't have to get your hose from anywhere else. Okay, so that is it for this floor. So what is this door? At first, I thought it was storage, and then when I opened it, I was pleasantly surprised to find a staircase going down to the lower floor. Now we're here at the carport. Your carport can fit, well, there's already 1 vehicle over here, but I would assume 4 vehicles comfortably, plus the driveway kung okay lang sa bisita nyo naka-inclined sila. So let's start at the end of this floor. So this is your service area. It's nice and open, and what is it perfect for? That's right, hanging laundry. So this is your laundry area. Excuse the personal items and construction items. So meron ng built-in na sink dito, and then at the end is your provision for your washing machines. Yes, it is exposed though, so you might need to put an awning there. But that aside, perfect place to hang your laundry. And again, for vehicle carport, this is your female staff quarters with an ensuite, and then this is your male staff quarters, also with an ensuite. Elevator access. This is storage. It's locked right now, so I can't see it. And then you have your daily kitchen right here. It's also a lot of space. So you have your sink on this side, o diba? Nasa tapat din siya ng window. And although there's no view, there is sunlight coming in. It's quite nice. And then again, lots of surface to work on, and then space or provision for your gas stove. And then this is the storage room and maintenance. May vent yan, ah. Kahit na lower height na room siya, may vent yan. And then some built-ins for, well, things you might hang or in or such. Freezer din or ref. Okay, so that is the lower floor as well as the main floor. Now, before we jump straight to the bedrooms, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell to get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in St. Ignatius, Quezon City, I know, right? It's not that common that we post a house tour here. Make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Okay, so we're done with the basement, the ground floor, and now this is the second floor. And essentially, there are only 3 doors here, namely the elevator door, door number 1, door number 2. So let's go through this one first because it's closest to where we just came from. And this happens to be the primary bedroom, and you'll see why in a bit. So you have your built-in wardrobe over there, entire wall basically. You have space to fit a king-sized bed with space for end tables on either side. Then you already have your built-in entertainment. Siyempre, hindi ito yung TV na gagamitin nyo, di ba? This is just for the CCTVs, because yes, you do have CCTVs already installed. And then this is why this room is here. you have a corner window with a full view of Eastwood. I mean, at night, it's a very nice city view. And you do see glimpses of the Sierra Madre Mountains out in the distance, as well as Antipolo, of course. So it's a nice view, lalo na kung nakahiga ka sa master bedroom sa kama, and then you're looking at that. It's nice. And then you have your ensuite toilet and bath. This is my favorite part, if I'm being honest. So you have a toilet that is right in front of the window. Again, nice view. And then you have an enclosed shower space with a ledge. And I can't say this enough. Having a ledge in your shower is amazing because you can shower sitting down without risk of slipping when you're like cleaning your knees or something. I mean, let's be real. Okay, right next to that you have your his and hers sinks with a medicine cabinet behind the mirrors, storage underneath. You have a vanity on the opposite side, and then here where the wooden flooring is, you have more wardrobe space as well as full-length mirrors as doors for your hanging wardrobe. It's really nice, right? It's compact, it's nice, but it's... Di ko ma-explain yung size niya, but it's just right for this space. And then the other door leads, of course, this is bedroom number 2 counted as. So this one is bedroom number 3. So this entire wall is basically wardrobe and storage. This is where your entertainment goes. And then that's where your bed goes. Kung bahala na kayo sa orientation, pwede siyang nandun yung headboard, pwedeng nandito. Either way, it's going to fit. Preferably a single bed, pero kasya naman double or full size. Technically, kasya rin yung queen, pero if you want the outlets to, to not be blocked, you might want a smaller bed. Just because you also want a lot of floor space. And then you have a sliding glass door over here at the front of your property, and it leads to a balcony. So the balcony has tempered glass, so that way it feels like it's not obstructing anything. No, it really isn't obstructing anything view-wise. Yan na, nagsimula na yung mga grinder as per usual. Okay, so that is it for this floor. We can't use the elevator yet kasi sobrang brand new, hindi pa siya tapos. So we're gonna head up the top floor via the stairs. Okay, so the top floor is more for guests and extended family. You'll see why. So you have this sort of family area over here. And again, very easy to get to despite it being on the top floor because of that elevator. And then you have, obviously this is meant for your TV, because of the outlet placement. And then right next to that, you have bedroom number 4. So again, pretty square room. You have pin lights all around. Dito medyo iba yung level ng pin lights, but basically it's an almost flat ceiling with that little detail lang. And then you have a sliding glass door that leads to another balcony, again at the front of the property. So pretty much the same as the balcony earlier, just with a higher elevation. So a slightly better view of your neighborhood. And what I wasn't able to show you kanina was the toilet and bath of the bedroom. So it pretty much is similar to this. So it's a combination of your ensuite toilet and bath as well as your walk-through closet. So it's just one room with everything in it. So wardrobe storage, your sink, your enclosed shower space, and your toilet. The difference being, of course, yung sa toilet area mismo, the wet area, tiles, and then it's a wardrobe area, wooden flooring. Okay, so the other area of this floor, obviously you can see that there is access to a balcony at the back of the property. But before we head there, we have another room. And while you could use this as a bedroom, it's much better as an entertainment room because you have a lot of space with lots of natural sunlight and lots of storage, as well as space for your console, your TV, etc. It does have access to an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. But what it has that the other rooms doesn't have is access to a balcony again at the back of the property. And this one has an even better view of Eastwood, Sierra Madre, Antipolo, C5 essentially, and Ortigas over there. Because again, we are in St. Ignatius, Quezon City. And if you're familiar with the area, you know that this area is a very hilly area. So yung elevation, ang dami mo nakikitang rolling hills. Okay, so that's been it. Before I do the recap, make sure you check out these really nice views. Okay, so you have 220 square meters of lot area and then 600 square meters of floor area split between 4 levels. You have 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths. You have a 4-vehicle carport down your driveway. You have a very generous staff area as well as daily kitchen. And then you have an elevator, again, that has access for all floors, and then 1 bedroom here on the main floor. And then lots of space for everything else. Like you have a huge kitchen, you have ample space for your dining and your living area, etc. And again, this is in St. Ignatius, Quezon City. So if this has been the perfect home that you've been looking for in this area, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.